Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on battery saving mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To access our battery saving options, we have to go to our main menu, settings, and here we are looking for battery. Here it is, battery and device care. Here we have our battery options. We simply tap battery and power saving options are right here. To turn power saving on, we simply tap this little box here. Now that is checked, our battery saving mode is now enabled. And that was all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.